Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Sujith here from Benzene, and today in this video, we're going to talk about workflow modifications in ADO. So let's start. Now, before I show you all how to modify a workflow or add a new status in ADO for your ticket type, you need to ensure that this is possible only when you have required permissions set to your role in your organization. You will be able to add a status or modify a workflow only if you have the permissions. Now, let's talk about how to add a status or how to modify a workflow for a issue type. Now, if you want to modify a workflow or add a status in your issue type, all you have to do is go to your organization in ADO, click on organization settings. You will be directed to a page as shown on the screen. Next, on the left-hand navigation panel, you'll have to click on processes and select for which project you want to make the modification for. In this example, I'm going to select Sujith's custom process where I want to modify the workflow. So once you've selected that, the next step you have to take care is to select the ticket type for which you want to modify the workflow. I'm going to take bug here and select that, saying that for bug, I need to add more statuses. Once you're on this screen, you have to click on states here. You will see the list of already available states for that issue type. Now, let's say I want to add a status called duplicate. All I have to do is click on new state here, and I've named the state as duplicate. The next step is to map a status category to the state which you're adding. The next step is to map a status category to the state which we added. In this case, duplicate is a resolved state saying that we won't be working on it. So I'm going to select resolved here. You can choose a color of your state. And the moment you click on create button, your state which we wanted to add will be added here. Now that we've added another state called duplicate for a bug issue type, let's see if it's added. Now in this activity, I added a state called duplicate for bug as a type. If you see here, the duplicate state is already seen here. So this is how you add a status or modify your workflow in ADO for your project. First is to go to your organization settings, select the project or process which you want to change, select the work type which you want to change the workflow for. Third, add your required state, save the changes, select one of the issue type, see and validate if that state is added. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope this video helped. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you stay updated with our videos. Thank you so much.